Newton's formula for lenses. Newton's. Earlier we have seen a similar type of formula in case of mirrors also. See the same relation. So x1 is a object distance. X1 is a object distance from focus. X2 is the image distance. Image distance from focus, where this x1, x2 are measured from the focus. Generally, the distance is measured from the optic center, but the x1, x2 are measured from the focus. If it is happened, then focal length of the lens is given by focal length of lens. Yes, remember the formula? Focal length of the lens. Remembered? That is square root of x1, x2. Remember this formula?